Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Device enrolled in MDM with the correct SNF profile, admin credentials available, and a reliable network connection. Once confirmed, power on the device and unlock it, then open the MDM Agent app. Don't use a generic settings menu. Enter the provided username and password exactly, then select the SNF tenant from the drop-down. Make sure to accept any requested device permissions so the agent can configure policies automatically. You're now ready to proceed to core setup. Next, you handle core authentication. Follow the multi-factor prompt, push, SMS code, or token because SNF enforces strong auth. When the MDM requests a certificate or SEP enrollment, approve it. This is why secure device identity matters. Once authenticated, watch the MDM console push device policies, Wi-Fi, VPN, and required apps. Make sure you allow installations. If a policy conflicts, choose the enterprise profile rather than personal settings. Once policies finish applying, move to validation and finalization steps. To finish, validate access. Open SNF resources and internal apps to confirm permissions and connectivity. If everything loads, sync the MDM agent to ensure last-minute policies applied. Make sure background services are permitted. If access fails, first recheck network and credential accuracy, then verify the device certificate and enrollment status in the MDM console. If unresolved, gather device logs, enrollment timestamps, and screenshots. Report them to your admin with concise steps you already tried so they can diagnose quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.